All right, hey everybody, this is Coach Cross coming at you. Week number 9, the week right before spring break. And yes, we're going to give you the week off of spring break, and then you'll come back after spring break, and we'll be on week number 10. But couple things is that this week, obviously, you had week 8 that shuts off at 11:59 tonight, Sunday night, and then um, slowly but surely, I'm getting at people to turn their exercise things, and it gets nervous a little bit for me when it gets to be 4 o'clock. I only have 6 people turning their stuff in. I mean, you have until midnight. I get it, but I just want to make sure people are getting their stuff turned in. Now, next week, this upcoming week, starting tomorrow, same type of thing. You're going to have 150 minutes of exercise. 45 minutes have to be in zone 3 or higher. But the one thing about next week, since we have Easter Sunday coming up, it's not going to be due on Easter Sunday. I'm going to give you an extra day to get it turned in. So it'll actually be Monday night, the 2nd, at 11:59 p.m. And if you want to turn it in before that, that's fine. I'll take it up until Monday night, but just giving you that extra day to get yourself turned in case you're busy with family stuff. So hopefully you understand that. All right, now just quickly looking at a couple things here. This is this week, the previous week, excuse me, and this is what I need to see. This is a student in our class. She turned in this is a training report. It's the week report. She's got May 19th through the 25th. So she's got all of her stuff here. She had 3 training sessions for this week. And if you look, this is where all the activity is taking place. And remember, I have to have 45 minutes above zone 3 or higher. So she's got 50 minutes plus in zone 3 and 4. And then she's got a bunch in zone 2, which is great. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So one of the things that I am looking at though, and I'm seeing a lot of, is most people seem to either be running or walking, which is fine, but there's a lot of other activities that you can be doing. You can swim. Your Polar A360 is waterproof. You could do some group exercises. You can watch a video on YouTube, and you can get exercise that way. I actually was surprised that I like to do that kind of stuff because I was able to get my workouts done in 30 minutes, and typically there's a pretty good amount of music that's played along with it. And so you can just take your Chromebook and set it up top and watch it, or put it on your television set, or whatever the case may be. But use your phone. Those are always good things as well. But if you do have questions or have hey, could you give me some advice on something else besides doing the just walking or running thing, I can definitely give you some advice. Harder with weightlifting stuff. People are asking about weightlifting yoga, and it's not that your heart rate won't get up there, because you can actually get your heart rate up there, but you got to work out differently than a lot of people do, and you gotta move, and so that's always a little bit harder. But be that as it may, that's kind of what we're looking for the next week. Now it's supposed to snow this week, so that may limit you a little bit on what you can do, but hopefully here in the next upcoming weeks you'll be able to do that. So week number 9 will be next week, short week with the school situation, but giving you a little extra time, an extra day to get all that turned in. And then make sure you're looking at the video here in the introduction, which is the video I'm taping right now, so it can give you a heads up on that type of stuff. Any questions, feel free to email me. One other thing I would like to say, there's a couple of you that have emailed me and I say call me, and it's because I'm concerned about what's going on with your workouts, and it's going to take me forever to write an email, and you may not even understand. So if I send you an email that says, please call me, and I give you my cell number, just at your earliest convenience, could you please reach out and so we can get it cleared up? Sometimes it helps to just hear a voice and not just emailing back and forth because there does get some things lost in translation, obviously. All right. Well, I hope you have a good week. And there'll be no activities for next week, week number 10, or the spring break that we all are having. And then when you come back on the week after, that will be our true week 10. All right. All right. Have a good one. Bye.